I found some new AI tools that you can go ahead and make money with without showing your face. And I've seen countless channels that are not only making money from ad revenue, some of these channels are making hundreds of dollars a day, some of these channels are making almost $2,000 a month from just ad revenue alone. But in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm not only going to show you how to find viral videos ideas, but I also want to show you the methods that some of the people use to grow these channels, and I also want to share you another strategy that you can go ahead and use to make money with affiliate marketing from videos where you're not even going to show your face. Some of this affiliate program can go ahead and earn you $5,000 per month even though you are not showing your face on those YouTube videos. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we are going to talk about YouTube automation niche. What are the best AI tools out there that you could go ahead and use for this type of business? It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Niche number 1 is going to be celebrity update niche, but unlike the channels which I'm about to show you, we will be focusing on high CPM celebrities, and I will show you how to find them in a second. But the first one that I'm about to show you is literally making up to $100,000 a month because it literally gets millions of views every single month, and all they're doing is basically posting updates on celebrities and news that are happening right now for a particular celebrity. And if you open up any of the videos on this channel, they're not really showing their face and they're not even recording this video themselves. So you can start a faceless channel in a niche like this, but I'm about to show you where to find high CPM celebrities. Here's another example over here. This is also getting millions and millions of views a month. It's extremely easy to grow a channel like this, extremely fast, because you're already relying on a high celebrity which already has a massive audience, and there is a lot of people who are searching for updates and news about that celebrity. Here's another example that is getting millions and millions of views a month. This one as well, they are posting 2 or 3 times a day, but they do get tens of millions of views a month, which makes them tens of thousands of dollars a month. And here's another example over here as well. So there's countless examples of people making tens of thousands of dollars just by posting updates about celebrities. And if you open up any of these videos again, they are completely faceless. Now, the way you can find high CPM celebrities is you can just go ahead and go to ChatGPT and you can ask ChatGPT, for example, to find like the most popular finance personas, and it's going to give you all of these different people, and they are more likely to be watched by people who are interested in those topics like finance, technology, all of those high CPM niches. And you can just essentially just piggyback on their audience. You can see a lot of people right here that you can go ahead and use. Bear in mind, most of the celebrities don't really have that many updates like some controversial figures like Logan Paul or Andrew Tate, who always have something going on around them. Niche number 2 is going to be investing in niche. As I have previously said, if you can attract people primarily from top tier countries who are looking to invest their money somewhere, and advertisers will spend a lot money to put ads in front of them. If someone watches a video of like, where should I put or where should I invest $10,000, then an advertiser will spend a lot of money to put ads in front of them. Here's a great example channel. It's called Chris Invest. If you open up any of the videos right here, they are completely faceless. It's essentially just using a program or a free software that you can also install for free to create this simple animation. Here's another example called Practical Wisdom. Again, they are posting videos about investing and making money, and some of their videos have tens of thousands of millions of views with extremely high RPM. Niche number 3 is going to be technology and space, and especially if you can make more like nerdy and practical stuff about space and technology, it's gonna attract higher quality audience. It's rather than if you just make like a cartoonish animation and fun fact about space exploration or whatever. But Here's an example channel over here, it's called Tesla Space, and right here is another example, it's called Spaceballs. It has over 4 million subscribers, and currently the estimated yearly earnings is around $2 million, which is a lot for this type of niche. Here's another example over here called A Future Space, but these guys are not targeting the highest quality audience because they're just making like clickbaity type of fun facts and weird discoveries that people just watch for fun. And here's another example as well, the Space Race. This channel now has 100,000 subscribers, but the beauty of highest CPM niches is that you don't need to have millions of subscribers in order to make decent amount of money. And I honestly think that 99% of the people look at YouTube automation the wrong way, because most of the people just chase the other revenue, which should be just a bonus that you get at the end of the month. But your main business should be either be brand deals or digital products or affiliate marketing through those videos. Niche number 4 is wedding and events planning. People who organize weddings or events in particular are in the mood of spending a little bit more money than usual, so it's worth it for advertisers to put ads in front of those videos. Or some other tips on how to organize a massive event or a wedding, that means they probably have a big budget to actually organize that event or wedding. Next up that we have is legal advice. You gotta be very careful with this one, but the CPM is extremely high on it, so if you do have some experience in it and if you are qualified to talk about this subject, you can definitely start a channel in this niche because the competition is almost non-existent. There's not many channels giving legal advice, but also bear in mind that the audience is not massive. Those who are the biggest in this niche, as you can see, they get about 10,000 views or 15,000 views for a video, but we can go ahead and see about this particular one. He is making a lot of short videos currently, and he is getting a lot of views by making this type of videos. Next niche is the list niche, but rather than focusing on random things that people will watch for entertainment, I would rather focus on expensive lists. For example, top 10 expensive hotels in a particular city, because if someone is looking for the most expensive hotels in, let's say, Las Vegas, and that means they're probably going out right there. They're probably going to spend a lot of money on that hotel. That way, the CPM and RPM are going to be a lot higher. And especially if you're targeting the US or any top tier countries. I mean, this channel over here, which is posting like top 10 or top 5 videos so far, got 4 billion views, which is almost the same amount of views that Logan Paul got. And Logan Paul is one of the most popular creators out there, and this one is completely faceless. No one even knows who owns this channel, but they made almost the same or even more money than Logan Paul. He is stalked by people all around the world. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.